This is a smart bar. They're in the busiest campuses and full of helpful boffins that can help solve your IT issues on any device. They do virus removal, software reinstallation, and some good old-fashioned advice. They're open in the term times and they're supported by IT students who've gone through many of the same problems that you have. Okay, if the problem's a bit more serious, you'll need to come to the Laptop Repair Centre in the Portland building. Here they do hardware jobs, and best of all, except from park costs, it's completely free. Here you can also get a laptop loan for up to 90 days free. Pretty handy, right? So hopefully now when you next get into trouble, you know where to look. All the opening times and locations are on the IT Services website. If you want to check out some of our other videos, including Office 365 and staying safe online, check out the IT Services YouTube channel and website.